I'm back. Now, I've just done some little petals, like I showed you the other day. I'm just going to trim them down now. And put this flower together before we move on to the next subject, which is what? I have no idea. I never know. Remember how I showed you to do this one? Fold it over, start there, run across, do an inch, fold over, and across there, then cut it, gather it, stitch it, so you end up with that. Now they're not all the same size. I hope you're heating up my gun, because I need you to cut a little circle and use the bigger ones, because I might not need them all. I think I did 6 to start with. I might only use 5 actually. Let me just see, because I might have to move these up a bit. Move that one there and fit one more in. I only need the 5. Like that, that's fine. And they really do make pretty flowers. And then a little flower in the middle or something. Oh, now what did I do it here? Might put this in. They're just little, see, like that. Let's have a look, see if we want that in. Yes, I do actually. Oops, stuck in there then. Like that. And then, I don't know, I can pop a bead in, I think. Let's put a bead in. Yeah, I think we'll just have a large bead. Make sure they, that's it, and push that right in. Like that. There you go. And you get another little flower. There are lots of different things and flowers you can make to... what I do sometimes, I sit for ages and just make flowers. And I make dozens. Dozens and dozens and dozens of them. To craft with. Because you never know when you're going to need a nice flower. See, that's not wrong with that. So that's that one. Now, I was going to share with you, only I didn't want to get the glitter out. I don't like glitter. I'm not a keen glitter person, unfortunately. I'm not. Now, fold it down and then across. And then what you need to do is you need to twist. So you twist it. Sorry. Fold it down. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to glue mine to hold it down, because sometimes there can be a pain in the butt. And then you fold that across and then across again. Like that. So that's what you start with. But then you've got to fold it back on itself. And you roll. Fold it back. And you roll. And you start to get yourself a rose. Okay. Yeah. So you can fold it again. Back. Roll it. Fold. Back. Roll. And then I would glue it. Just glue it every now and again, because that's going to be your rose. So I'm folding it back and then I'm gluing it. Fold it back. like that. Fold and turn it back. Okay, fold it back and turn. Fold it back and turn. And you're making yourself a rose. And then at the back, I can just pin that down. And we tuck that over all of that and pin it down. And there you go, you've got yourself a little rose. Now you can put a little bead in the middle or whatever you want to do, but the more you do them, the bigger they get. That's really, I don't need to put that on anything. I was going to put it on there, but I don't need to. Do I need to do that? Oh, I've done that. I've cut it for some reason. That's a bit bigger actually. We'll use that one. Doesn't matter, it's got two on at all. Like that. So, we'll do that one again. So that's not a very good one. I haven't done them for a while, and sometimes you can, you know... Oh, let's do one out of this, I think. See if we can make one out of this. Now I'm going to burn myself to death, aren't I? Fold it down, fold it across, and then fold it across there. And I'm just going to use a smidgen of glue, because I ain't burning myself for nobody. Bend it back and twist. Bend it back and twist. And you can make these as full or, you know, as small or as large as you want. You just keep going until you're happy with what you've got. I like mine to be ruffled there, like that. Like that, and keep going. And I think that's enough for mine. Just chop that. And then what we do is we just bring that and put that back on itself. And there you go. There's another ribbon rose. And then that's how that's how I do them. You do eventually, when you're working with glue, you will get hardened to it, I have to say. Okay, just going to go put that down diagonally. Oh, come on, don't mess about with me now, because I can't do with it. Oh, that's it. Right, and then do a running stitch. Now, I'll do it that way. Right, and it's, I've probably got 24 inches of ribbon. Right, taking this flower that I've just done, let's get all of this the right way. Okay, that's all. The way I'm going to join it is there, where I've just done those two. See how it's made a beautiful little flower. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a circle on my mat and make sure my flower is on that. Like that. There we go. And then you take your rose and you pop your rose in the centre of that. Now you could do these in 2 different colours if you want. Just going to take hold of some felts, should I say. By the time you've done that, that's dry. And then right, okay. There you go. And to top that off, I think we'll just have one gorgeous little lavender bead, and it's not it's an oval one. Could have put a diamante in there, but 2 different flowers make one. There's so much. I've got a video somewhere on my channel that I cut. They were made from paper, but I'd cut so many different. I'd cut one flower, one petal shape, but I'd made, I think it was 11 or 12 different flowers from it by just redesigning them, you know, and doing them different ways. But you can do different ones, and they all look just as nice as the last, should I say. You know, I could have put that in. But that's how I do them. And I hope that helps. So don't forget, we've made quite a few things this week. You know, our little ribbon things as well. Don't forget everything. It's just play. Play, play, play. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye-bye for now.